I love making my own dressings at home, and here's a great Asian variety that goes really nicely with some spinach. Fish sauce is a wonderful condiment to have in your pantry because it's so versatile. Essentially, it's fish that's been salted and then fermented, and it really imparts that lovely salty flavour in a vinaigrette just like this. In a jar, I have a bird's eye chilli, a little bit of garlic, and I'll add even amounts of fish sauce to sugar because it's all about balance when you're making Asian dressings just like this. Caster sugar. And then we need some acidity to balance it out. So good old lime. We'll squeeze that in there. And now this as is a classic Vietnamese dressing, but I'm just going to change it a little bit by rounding the whole flavours with some extra virgin olive oil. You only need a small amount, about a teaspoon. And this addition of oil is going to help emulsify it. So lid goes on and give it a good shake. And there you have it. That is a perfect dressing for any type of vegetable. Like I said, I'm serving it with some spinach, wilted spinach. We'll pour it over the top. A quick toss. And now I'll serve that in a bowl. And just for a quick garnish, some toasted sesame seeds. A wonderful way to jazz up any type of vegetable, particularly green vegetables, and this dressing will last for a good couple of days in the fridge.